Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by checking what you actually have. Run WSL LV so you know the exact distro name. Once you see Ubuntu, shut down WSL with WSL shutdown to avoid file locks. Make sure to export or copy any important Linux files. Use WSL export Ubuntu, tar or copy from the distro file system because unregistering deletes data. After that, be ready to unregister the distribution and remove associated files. Now you actively remove the distribution. Run WSL unregister Ubuntu. That permanently deletes the distro and its metadata, so make sure your backup is complete. Next, open Settings Apps and uninstall the Ubuntu app entry if it still appears. This clears the store package. Then inspect %localappdata% packages for the Ubuntu package folder and delete local state \ext4, vhdx, and any leftover files to free disk space. Finish by optionally turning off WSL features if you want a full uninstall. Open Turn Windows features on or off, uncheck Windows Subsystem for Linux and virtual machine platform, then reboot. If you intend to reinstall later, reboot first, re-enable features, then install or import from your export with WSL import. If something goes wrong, run WSL LV to verify state and check Event Viewer, or run sfc/scano for system issues. These steps help pinpoint lingering package or permission problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.